What happened to you? You are talking about only Teni.
Can you guess?
We have been friends since childhood. Yes, Bhavishan, our bond is strong.
But little did they know their friendship would soon be tested. The old aunt enters the stage.
Shan,
Yes, Nani.
I have transferred my properties to you. Please take care of me.
Of course, I will take good care of you.
Friendship is a beautiful thing. But what happened when friendship tested by difficult circumstances? But as time passed, Bhavishan and his family treating the old aunt poorly. Take this food.
I am your aunt and old, so some courtesy on me.
Why should I? You are sitting in one place, not even going for a work.
She swallowed this angel along with the food for a few months. But patience has its limits.
My son,
Yes, Nani.
it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen.
My sister knows best how to run this home. Be patient.
Notice how Bhavishan is promising to take care of his aunt. But what happened when he fails to keep his promise?
When I shared my feelings with someone sympathized me and some others laughed at me and some others advised me to make it with my son. What to do, I don't know. Better let me speak with King.
The old aunt approaches King.
King,
Yes, Nani.
I need your help.
How can I help you?
Bhavishant is not taking care of me.
You know, Nani, Bhavishan is my best friend. How can I against him?
But it is right, my king, to keep mum and not say what you consider unjust fair. Please come to the Sabha and speak the truth.
King didn't reply, but her words ringing in his ears. King approaches Guru.
Guru,
Yes, my child.
I need your help.
Why, Gitik? What happens?
My friend Bhavishan is not taking care of his aunt.
Is there anything serious?
Yes, his aunt brought a case on him to give justice.
Gitik, you must stand up for what is right. Fair play demands that we should treat others with respect and kindness.
Guru, can you come with me to the Sabha to give justice?
Yeah, of course.
King announces his decision as head punch. Next day, the conversation was started.
Nani, you aware of friendship with Bhavishan?
Yes, I know that, king, but you won't fill your conscience for the sake of friendship.
Bhavishan, you must pay a monthly allowance or return her property. This is unfair, King. You are my friend. Sorry, Bhavishan, but justice must be served.
Bhavishan, fair play is not about favoring friends or family. It's about doing what is right and justice.
Thank you.
They both explained the case to Panchayat. King cross-examined the case now. King announces his decision. Just as ill luck would have it, Bhavishan found himself in a tight spot.
Huh? One of my friend pair of bullock has died. What shall I do? I don't know. Better I get from Shivani one bullock. Shivani,
Yes, Bhavishant, how I can help you?
I need one bullock for plough the land.
When?
Now,
Take a look which one you need, you pick it.
that one.
Okay.
Half of the money is here.
Balance money you would pay in a month's time. If not, I will take a pair of bullock with interest.
Yes.
Then sign this agreement.
A month later,
Bhavishant,
Yes, Shivani.
where is balance money?
Shivani, you told me the bullock has died.
For that,
I can't pay the penny for died bullock,
When I gave you, it's good only.
but I can't pay.
Then let us meet in a panchayat.
Panchayat has started. King closed exam in the case now considered deeply. King stood up and announced.
Shivani, when Bhavishyan bought the bullock, it was not dissatisfied or suffered from any disease. The death of bullock was unfortunate and he is not blamed for it. Let us give some time to settle the amount
How many days have to wait?
for a couple of months.
I obey the words of panchayat. Thanks, king.
Bhavishan came near king.
Victory of this Sabha. This is justice. God lives in the voice of Sabha. Since the last Sabha, I was your enemy. But today I realize Sabha is not for an friendship nor for an enemy. This is for only justice. I'm sorry, my friend. It's okay, my friend.
Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. Krish embarrassed his friend and wept, and this was all the dearth of misunderstanding between them. Thank you.